Here's a pair of the Btootos A90 Pro earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these to an Android phone. The Android phone that I'm using is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So the first thing that we got to do is put this into pairing mode. So go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case, and as soon as you take them out, you can look where the dot right there where the lights are supposed to blink. Now you'll know it's in pairing mode if they're both blinking white. One will blink fast white, the other will blink slow white. But I'm not getting any white lights or any lights on here, and the reason why I'm not is because I'm connected to another phone. I'm actually connected to my iPhone here. So in order for me to put these in pairing mode, I have to go to this phone here, and then I just go to Bluetooth, and then yeah, you can see the A90 Pros are connected to this iPhone here. So I can go ahead and turn it off or disconnect from Bluetooth. And as soon as I do that, I'll just turn off Bluetooth. Look at the earbuds. I'll turn it off. Now look. Wait. So now one of them is blinking white rapidly, and this one is blinking white slowly. Okay, so anyway, we're in pairing mode now. So let's shoot over to our Android phone. You want to go to the settings. On this phone here, we're going to go to connections, and we're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on. So we're going to tap on Bluetooth here. That little spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up down here under available devices. It's still in the pairing mode. It did find the A90 Pro. Let's tap on that. Pairing. You should get a pairing request with Android phones. We'll tap on pair, and voila, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues, you couldn't get it in the pairing mode, or you couldn't connect, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below for the link in the description area.